Okay, time for something more cohesive. I sorted out the cards. I had to refresh a little bit on the story of the Lord of the Rings. So what it entails is there are 3 main decks. Okay, and it's all subjective, of course. Up to debate. So this is part 1. The quest begins. Witch King, Prancing Pony, 2 cards. Mountain Path, 2 cards. Into the Caves, 2 cards. Ending with the Witch King. So that is when the companionship, everybody tries to go into the mines of Moria. Unfortunately, Moria is not here, but you get the picture. After going out of Moria, the party ends up split, and Sam and Frodo get abducted. Boromir commits treason and is killed, but eventually most of the party ends up at Rivendell, where they meet up with Celeborn. So yeah, you can decide for yourself if you want this mixed or not. I'm going to mix it. So this is all together, one pack. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15 cards. Then we go to book 2, act 2, more or less, which has the Witch King appearing twice. There are Rohirrim that meet up with Legolas and Aragorn. Faramir, the son of the king, the Mad King, gets killed, and eventually there is also a story of reaching the Isengard gates. Isengard gets attacked by Treebeard, which is not in this. Why not? Yeah, Treebeard is in book 3, so it should be here. Treebeard. Yeah, not really sure. Let me check. Because it was Treebeard who destroyed the Isengard gates. So I think, yeah. This is up for discussion, but Treebeard. I'm just looking at the 2 towers. Yeah, so he in the 2 towers. Return of the King. Control F. Cracks of Doom. Sears Ungol. Yeah, Treebeard belongs here. Alright, then you of course have the Isengard. The Dead Marshes. Typing. That is in the 2 towers. So this column should be here, and column should be here. Okay, so this is pack 2. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we have book 3, in which Frodo gets poisoned, Aragorn is raising the army of the dead, and Osgiliath gets attacked, as well as Minas Tirith. I'm checking for Minas Tirith. Yeah, Return of the King, and Osgiliath, same thing. So, this is the 3 packs. They are not the same size, but there is the and if you would play it like shuffled, then it would be not that much fun, I think. But what you can do is you have these cards, which are appearing at least in Act 1 and Act 2. So Act 1.5, if you will, and that is 2 Legolasses, a Gandalf, a Gimli, and an Aragorn, and another Gimli. So two Legolasses, 2 Gimlis. They appear in both packs. You can do the simple thing, that is sort them out, make one deck, deck 1, deck 2, and denote them as deck 1 and deck 2. But you can also do deck 1.5, which is this part, shuffled and split up into both decks. So this deck gets half of this, and this deck gets the other half. I think that's the most fun, but more setup, if you will. Now, between Act 2, the towers, and the Return of the King, there is also a bunch of orcs and a bunch of wanderings, crossroads. There is a Sauron, of course. There is a Gandalf, Aragorn, another Aragorn, Galadriel, another Sauron, and a bunch of orcs, and Gollum. So, this way you have the separation of the Witch Kings, which are the type of cards that you want to manage, and you have enough variation because this will be Act 2, 3 split up. So you shuffle this, and every card is denoted by a 2. Yeah, and you shuffle this, and every card is denoted by a 3. Maybe I should add some more here. Aragorn appears twice. Yeah, but this should be 2/3, and then you separate them, and then you just simply you have the result of 3 stacks. You put a stack 2 on top of 3 and 1 on top of 2, and you have a balanced, less IKEA type kind of game. Yeah, I'm going to make notes on all the cards, and because why not? And let's test it out. Okay, bye.